Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mythical pie in your garden. First, you'll need to identify the specific magical ingredients required for this legendary dessert. These aren't your everyday garden variety items, so pay close attention to their unique properties. We'll then explore where to find the special garden plots and how to acquire the rare seeds necessary for cultivation. This guide will help you on your quest. Once you have your rare seeds, plant them in the enchanted soil of your special garden plot. These magical crops require unique care, so be sure to use the correct magical fertilizer and water them with purified dew. Monitor their growth closely, as harvesting them at their peak magical potency is crucial for the pie's power. Patience is key for these extraordinary plants. With your magical ingredients harvested, head to your enchanted kitchen to begin the assembly. Carefully combine all the unique items according to the ancient recipe. Precision is vital here, as even a small deviation can alter the pie's mythical properties. Finally, bake your creation in a magical oven, ensuring it reaches the exact mystical temperature for perfection. The aroma alone is legendary. After successfully baking your mythical pie, it's time to unleash its power. Consuming a slice will grant you temporary magical buffs, aiding your gardening endeavors. You can also share portions with the friendly garden sprites to receive special, rare rewards. Alternatively, use the pie's inherent magic to significantly enhance your garden's overall growth rate. Enjoy the legendary benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.